So I decided that I should talk to y'all just for a little bit. So basically, why I'm remodeling my room is because, one, I've been looking for this certain bed for like the longest time ever, and I wanted to find it like I didn't want to buy it brand new. So basically, I was just hunting down this bed to see if anybody would post it on like Facebook Marketplace, and I got lucky and I finally found the bed that I've been looking for. It's not something like crazy, like something you would expect, but it's something that I've been looking for my like living situation, if you could say that. So yeah, I told myself when I find this bed, I'm gonna remodel my room. So yeah, right now I'm cleaning out the shit out of my room, and on Saturday I'm going to install flooring in here, and then I'm gonna paint my room, and then I'm gonna do the whole shebang. But yeah, and also I've been wanting to remodel my room for the longest time ever, just because content, baby, content. I just thought it would be like a fire ass video, and two, like I want to start taking more pictures on Instagram, and I hate that I have to wait till like freaking 8 o'clock at night to go take pictures outside because it's hella hot. So I was like, dude, I need to start taking pictures in my room, and my room is just not cute, so I need to remodel the shit of it so it could be like Instagram worthy. I'm just kidding. But yeah, that's the whole story behind my room. I literally had this room since I was like 10, 11, 9, somewhere around there. So yeah, I'm 22 right now. So let's start at, I think it was 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11 years? Is it 11 years? 11 years I haven't touched my room at all. Not even a paint job. So all that is about to change. So yeah. Hello, my friends. Sorry, that sounded weird. Hello, my friends. Oh my god, today is day 3 of my room. Look at my walls. My food. It is so bright in here, and that's because I don't have a window curtain. I just have like the blinds. But oh my god, it is so bright in here, so no more dark lighting. And oh my god, I'm so excited. Yeah, so today's day 3 of redoing my room. Coffee extra strong today. I'm gonna take off this freaking carpet. I'm gonna take off this carpet, and I'm praying to God that I do not hurt myself. I'm going to be as gentle as I can be, because I need to take out this drawer, that drawer, and yeah, wish me luck.
I'm tired. Hungry.